Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and I'm really happy to see you today.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul. Charlie, can you believe the year is almost over?
I know, time flies so fast. Sometimes it feels like January was just yesterday.
That's true. At the end of the year, I like to stop and think. What did I learn this year?
I feel the same. Reflection helps us grow, and it's also a great topic to practice English.
So, Charlie, what is one important thing you learned this year?
I learned that small steps matter. Even studying English for 10 minutes a day can change a lot.
That's a great point. I learned that mistakes are not bad. They are part of learning.
Yes, exactly. Many students feel shy when they speak English.
I felt that way too. But this year, I learned to speak without fear.
That's wonderful. I also learned to be patient with myself.
That's very important. Learning takes time, and everyone has a different speed.
We also learned the value of consistency. Watching short English videos daily helps a lot.
That's true, and learning English is not only about words.
Yes, it's about confidence, communication, and connecting with people.
I remember many students saying, I can't speak English.
But now they say, I am improving. That makes me so happy.
Me too. It shows growth and self-belief.
So, friends, when you look back at this year, be kind to yourself.
Every effort counts. Every sentence you learn is a success.
The lesson of this year is simple. Never stop trying.
And never be afraid to start again.
Next year, take what you learned and move forward with confidence.
We believe in you, and you should believe in yourself too.
Thank you for learning with us this year. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also, like my video and leave a comment.